Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello everyone, it's me here on Lulu Live, the latest Boxycharm box, which is here in my hands. I literally just cut it to open it, but I have not looked inside. I do not remember much of what's in it because I just don't remember. So without further ado, I wanted to show you this month's Boxycharm. We are now in April 2019. Spring is now here, and this is the box. So you open up the box and it says, "Hello Charmer." That's us, whoever has the Boxycharm box. I have regular Boxycharm. I never did the Luxe, not yet at least. I have no idea if and when or what if I'm going to do it, but I have not decided yet. So this is my Boxycharm box. It has 5 items in it normally. The theme is peace, love, and Boxy. So you always get a postcard with the items that are in your box. And I'm not wearing my glasses because I was going to try these on with you. So it tells you a list of all the items that are in this box. This box, can you see it? Oh, it fell in the box, thank God. So this is the menu of the items you're going to get in this box. It also includes the MSRP, aka what I call the value, retail value of what the item goes for. Fortunately, Boxycharm does give you full-size products. So that makes me very, 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 very happy. Without further ado, let's go over this. So it says to tag Boxy Vibes for a chance to be featured. The appropriate tags so that I can be featured, but I have not been featured. I know that may not surprise some of you, but it doesn't. It just hasn't happened yet. So there are 5 items, and ironically they tend to keep a lot of the same brands. I don't know why, but they do, and I shouldn't be complaining because I love the ones so far that I've known have been repeat brands within their boxes, such as Pure and Luxy. And then there's one brand in here I never heard of, Beauty for Real. I never heard of them. Also Butter London. I haven't really used much of their stuff before, but I know they carry it at Kohl's. FYI, in case you are interested. So in case you are interested, this one is bent. So that's the postcard. It's cute. And it gives you all their social medias: Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, at Boxy, at Boxycharm. The inside part of this box too. It shows you hashtag Boxycharm, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat. There you have it. So the first item in this is from a brand that actually featured me as one of their top fans recently on Facebook, and boy was I excited. I did do a whole video on them, so not that long ago, for St. Patty's Day, so that made me really happy. Pure, the Complexion Authority Festival Palette, which is valued at $36. They say to hashtag Pure Vibes. And that is this palette, which is underneath all this other stuff in my box. So inside this bubble wrap is the palette. And it says to unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition, 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters. I wish I had my glasses on right now because boy do my eyes hurt. Each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. So this is the 12-piece pressed pigment palette from Pure, the festival palette, because I think they're trying to get in with the Coachella theme, which we don't have here in New Jersey. I'm sorry, but we don't. I mean, why am I sorry? I'm really upset we don't have that. I would love to go to Coachella, but we don't have that in New Jersey. So inside the box, you get a matching eyeshadow palette or pigment palette, and a sample of Pure Get a Grip Endurance eyeshadow primer. It says lock your eyeshadow in place with this high performance eyeshadow primer. With Get a Grip, eyeshadow resists creasing and fading so color stays true. Your eye look stays in place throughout the day. The powders all smell kind of like chocolate to me, and I love it, of course. It comes with a nice size mirror with the message, because that's what they like to do as well. And the message says, treat every day like a festival. That'd be fabulous, actually. I would like that. And there are, again, how many shades? 12 shades. And on the back, it's like, this is really cool. I like it. I love it. I love Pure. I'm going to swatch this for you. We have a variety of different colors, kind of matching this theme here, the festival theme. And the first one is called Free Spirit. Then we have Psychedelic, Good Vibes and Peace, Epic, Gypsy, Wild Child, 24K Magic, that looks like fun, All Night, Hidden Desert, Sunset, and Fireworks. That's really nice. So now I'm going to start from the top with Free Spirit. They're really, really pigmented. And go down my arm, if you can see it, I don't know. I'm going to try to do it a little heavy so you can see it. I should have washed my arm too, but I didn't get to. So, I don't know if you can see it, but this is the color. Maybe not. And then we have Psychedelic. That one you should definitely be able to see. I mean, look at that. You can see that, right? And then we have Good Vibes. Ooh. And after Good Vibes is Peace, which is very similar. Oh, I got my nail in there. Actually growing my nails back. Peace. And after Peace is Epic, which is not as pigmented, so you really got to get your finger in there or your brush. And then after Epic is Gypsy. Ooh, that's nice. Is that purple? It's a good thing I have really long arms because I need to do all these swatches. And then we have Wild Child, which is like a pinkish color, which is mixed with the purple by accident. That's Wild Child, this pink here. And then we have 24K Magic in the end. You see it? It's gold and glittery, and it's on my finger. And then we have All Night, which is right here. And after All Night, we have Hidden Desert and Sunset. Ooh, this is Sunset. Look at that. Ooh. And lastly, we have Fireworks, which is delicious. I could feel it on my finger, and I've reached my elbow. Oh my God, can you see this? Fireworks, Sunset, Hidden Desert, All Night, 24K Magic, Wild Child, Gypsy, Epic, Peace, Good Vibes, Psychedelic, and lastly is the Free Spirit, which you could hardly see, right? It's so light. I'm going to try to go in a little heavier for you. Can you see it? It's very sheer. That'd be a really nice highlight color. Can you see it? That. And that's all the colors in this palette. These are all the colors in the Pure palette. Well, now that I messed up my arm and my hands are all dirty, let's go through the next item in the box. So we have Luxy, the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. And every time they give me these brushes, I don't want to open them up because they're just too pretty. So I'm not going to do that. But again, it goes with the festival theme. Isn't this cute? Like literally the last time I got one of these, I wound up saving it, which is still saved in my cup with my brushes that I do not use. At least not yet. And I ordered an extra pair. It's valued at $28. They're pink and a little horizon-ish on the bottom, it looks like pink and gold and orange. A large shader, a small shader, and a small contouring, which is great because I am learning how to contour. It says, use these 3 dazzling brushes to achieve your most enchanting makeup looks, and they want you to follow them as well. Luxy Beauty, I love them, and I recommend them for everybody too. Share your creations with us at Luxy Beauty. They have YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And it's also cruelty-free. So, oh, they're cruelty-free premium handcrafted brushes. So I don't have to open these up to tell you I love them. I already love them, and I'm going to save them here just for now because look at this packaging. Like, it's in a Ziploc sealed bag. Like, you don't want to open this. But I like the Ferris wheel and the Carnival Festival looking theme. It's so cute. So the next item in here is from Artist Couture, don't know them, and it is a diamond glow powder, which sounds really cool. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, so anything diamond is like really cool. It's valued at $27. It says it's all natural, vegan, and cruelty free. It's a free loose powder highlight. It can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. Ooh. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. So this is what it looks like. It has this marble look in the box. Well, the box looks like this. I'm gonna use this hand because this one doesn't have all the eyeshadows on it. It's in shade Summer Haze. This is pretty. A bronzy color, Artist Couture. Does it smell? I don't know. And it has this thing here that you're supposed to open. Oh, these are complicated. I literally picked up the tape. It's not all off, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. Let me come back to you. Tapping the powder into the top. The powder. You see it? It does shine like a diamond. Alright, before I waste it all. Let's see. It reminds me of this powdery stuff, which I considered body glitter that I got years ago at the Renaissance Fair. But that's what it reminds me of. Can you see it? Ooh, that's pretty. And it's soft. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Can you see it? Probably not. It looks really pretty. Let me see. It's really soft. Can you see it at all? Can you see it here? It doesn't really smell, but it's soft and I can kind of see the color. It's very glittery and sparkly, and I can see the sparkle, dustiness all over my room. Like all the little particles floating around. I'm not like tripping, I swear, but I could see it all over my little family room here. Like, it's still going. The next item in our Boxycharm box is from Butter London. It is their Power Up Mascara. This one here, Power Up Mascara from Butter London. I don't believe I've ever used anything from them. I've seen it, but I haven't used it yet. I think. Pretty sure. And it's valued at $20. And it says, experience length, definition, and curl retention with Butter London's Power Up Mascara, featuring all day wear. With the first swipe, a unique oil-free blend of nourishing waxes instantly produces noticeably longer and more defined lashes, which I would like. A second swipe adds thickness and volume without clumping. We shall see. The soft and creamy formula is infused with hydrating jojoba extract and water-resistant polymers to reduce smudging and flaking for a full 8-hour day. So let's see what it looks like. It's in shade Power Black. And ooh, that's pretty nice. The wand. See that? It is pretty nice, but it does clump a little bit. To be honest, my left side is usually the one that looks better, and I'm having a hard time with it. I mean, from a distance it looks nice, but close up it doesn't look so nice. So that's my opinion. I mean, I just put on like pretty much a second coat on my right eye, and it does add length and volume, but I consider it clumping. It's like attaching my lashes together rather than separating them. So I don't love it. In all honesty, I don't love it. It's okay, but I don't love it. I'm not sure if I hate it, but I don't love it. We have our last item from Beauty for Real, which is called Finish Line Liquid Eyeliner, and the value for this is $16. It looks more like a racetrack theme more than a festival, and it's in this plastic packaging. It says Finish Line 24/7 Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm not big on liquid eyeliner. I'm not big on eyeliner. I don't know how to use it. So it is a mistake-proof pen. It's a pen? Wait, maybe I should look at this. That creates a clean line in one steady sweep. I should have done this before I did the mascara, but whatever. The tapered precision brush makes it easy to apply pure, deep color from thin to thick, while the intensely pigmented formula makes for 24-hour smudge and budge resistant wear. So this is 24 hours, but the mascara is only 8. So what do I do? I want to wear them together. I don't know. Well, it still has like that checkered thing, which to me reminds me of the racetrack and not a festival. But okay. And it's a felt tip pen. Can you see it? And I'm gonna write on my hand. Ooh, that is smooth. You see it? It's pretty nice. I mean, I'm not really good at doing this. I don't know if I should even bother to try, but maybe I will. I'll be right back. I literally just tried putting it on my right eye, and it came out like to here. And I didn't like the way it looked, so I wiped it with a Q-tip. But like here it looks pretty decent. I was trying to do like that wing thing, and I'm not very good at it. But to be honest, this isn't terrible. I actually would consider trying this again. I'm just not good at doing the wing. I'm not very good at liners, but I felt like overall it was decently easy to use. For a beginner, it's not so bad, so I'm actually pretty happy with it. So that's that. Beauty for Real. So again, I wanted to say thank you to everyone for stopping by. And thank you to Boxycharm for sending me all this great goodies. I mean, I did pay for it, but you know, I paid for the great deal that you get all this good stuff in, you know. So yeah, I definitely love Boxycharm, and I would recommend it to everybody that wants to get their hands dirty and their arms dirty and makeup and their faces. You can see the colors here, yeah. Who are interested in trying new products, and some are the same, you know. I'm pretty happy with this box for April. It's called Peace, Love, and Boxy. Bye. Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.